Hello, dear Dinka learners. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this channel, we only learn Dinka language. The second option is English. As you can see, we translate Dinka words into English. So, if you want to learn Dinka language or you want to learn English, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and be part of this learning family. Thank you for your subscriptions. Today, our lesson is we are going to learn common names of diseases in Dinka language from South Sudan. Common names of diseases in Dinka language from South Sudan. We are going to learn 40 common names of diseases or sicknesses in Dinka language and also in English. You know, Dinka language is one of the major languages spoken in South Sudan. So one day, inshallah, you are going to come to South Sudan and it will be right time for you to speak Dinka language with the local community or Jing community. Okay, let's begin our lesson. The first Dinka words we have to learn is akor, po, akor, po, akor, po, akor, po mean nausea, nausea, nausea. In Dinka, akor, po mean nausea in English. The other words we have to learn is joy, joy, ja, u, a, e, joy, joy. Joy mean fever, fever. In Dinka, when someone say and she joy don't mean you are fever, fever. You are not feeling well, okay? Joy, joy. That is one type, is one common disease in South Sudan. Another disease is gargan, 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 gargan. Guys, this is the way I know it. Gargan, gargan means jaundice, 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 or yellowing of skin, yellowing of skin. So when you have jaundice, your skin become pale, yellow. Yes. So that's a common type of disease in South Sudan. It's called gargan. Gargan is like this. Gargan, 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 gargan. When someone you hear someone is saying, "I have gargan," mean he has jaundice. Another common disease is burjung, 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 burjung. Burjung is chicken pox, chicken pox. You know how common burjung is. Burjung, burjung is chicken pox. That's the Dinka word, burjung, chicken pox in English. It's a virus. Tongol, 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 tongol mean whooping cough, whooping cough, whooping cough, whooping cough. So it's called tongol in Dinka language. A word po, a word po is like this, guys. A word po, a word po, a word po, a word po, a word po mean pneumonia, pneumonia, pneumonia. It's pneumonia, guys. Pneumonia. In Dinka language, is called a word po, a word po, a word po, and a neck a word po. I'm suffering from pneumonia, and neck a word po. I'm suffering from pneumonia. Yeah. Nyanyel, nyanyel, nyanyel. Nyanyel mean lung tuberculosis, lung tuberculosis, lung tuberculosis. It's called nyanyel in Dinka language. Another one is chair, share, 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 or you say share nyin. We mean cataracts, cataracts, cataracts. Cataracts is English word that means share in Dinka language. Share nyin is a disease of the eye. Nyin mean eye. Share, cataracts. Another common type of sickness or disease in Dinka word is called lit, 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 la, it, lit. Lit mean hernia, 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 hernia. Hernia is lit. So when you have lit, that is the swelling of the testicle. Okay, it's common for the men. Hernia is called lit. In Chile, and Chile dom. So it's very common in South Sudan. In Dinka, it's called lit, and in English, it's called hernia. Another common type of sickness is called a boy asir. A boy asir. A boy asir. A boy asir mean hemorrhage. 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 Hemorrhage is an English word. In Dinka, we call it a boy asir. A boy asir. Guys, if you know the other name of hemorrhage in Dinka, please write it in comment section. I also want to learn. I know it is called Abu Asir. Maybe it seems like Arabic word, but it's okay. That's how I know it, guys. Another common type of sickness is nook. 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 Na oka. Nook. 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 Nook mean convulsion. Convulsion. Convulsion in English, so I don't want to go to that pronunciation. It's called convulsion. Convulsion, yes, convulsion. But come on, convulsion, yes. Who is not going to understand it? Yeah, I don't want to confuse you guys that I want to be pronouncing American accent or British accent. I just pronounce it in the way that is common, so that we learn. Okay, nook. No convulsion. So this is a common sickness, common type of disease. In Dinka we call it nook, and in English it's called convulsion. Okay, guys. Mun aboy, mun aboy, mun aboy. Infertile man, infertile man. You see, guys. Mun mean man. Aboy, that's unfertile. Unfertile, infertile, I mean, infertile man. A boy, that's a boy. Inch boy can, when you hear someone saying inch boy can, it means that you are infertile, you can't give birth. Okay? Tick roll, ting roll, ting roll. It's supposed to be ting that inga, but I just write tick here so that you guys can understand it. Ting roll. Ting roll mean infertile barren woman. Infertile barren woman. You see, guys, infertile barren woman is a woman who cannot give birth. So it's a barren woman, infertile barren woman. Ting roll, ting roll, ting one to did a chirol, ting one to did a chirol. Yes, infertile or barren woman. A rem gop, a rem gop or a rem gop. A rem gop is like this, guys. A rem gop. We know rem mean pain. This pain. Gop mean body. That mean body pain. Body pain. That is rem gop. Body pain. Nyin talk. Nyin talk. Nyin talk. Nyin talk is nyin then talk. Nyin talk mean conjunctivitis. 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 So guys, it's very simple to pronounce conjunctivitis. Nyin talk is called conjunctivitis in English, and then in Dinka is called Nyin Dog. It's a common disease of the eyes. You see, eyes in Dinka is called Nyin. Then when we are talk, it is called conjunctivitis. So that is common type of disease. I really suffered from this Nyin talk in when I was very young. Nyin talk, especially children. Nyin talk is common. Okay, guys. Another disease is called tway. 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 Tway means dropsy. 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 It's called tway. Tway. Okay, guys. It's called dropsy. Another common disease is called mangok. 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 Achi mangok dom. Mangok. Mangok means meningitis. 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 Meningitis is called mangok. I don't know, is it 2000, between 2007 and 2008? So this one outbreak of disease of meningitis, yeah, we experienced it, and I think we went for a vaccination or what happened. Yeah, when we were vaccinated, we were injected, and almost everyone was crying. It's very painful injection. Okay, mangok, mangok, meningitis, meningitis. So it's called mangok. Another common disease is called malengdit. Guys, this is the name. Malengdit is the name of my father. So, and now we have heard, we have seen it is called smallpox. It's a virus. So my father is called Malek, but when we add it, is a way of honoring. It's like big. Malek did mean big, and this is a common type of disease. As we can see, it's called smallpox. Malengdit, 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 malengdit. Malengdit is smallpox, smallpox, smallpox. Another disease is called adarwal, adarwal, adarwal. Adarwal means AIDS, AIDS, HIV AIDS, HIV AIDS, HIV AIDS is called adarwal. Adarwal. Guys, if you love what I'm doing, please subscribe, share my videos to your loved ones so that we learn Dinka language together. Okay, guys, that is the only way you can support me in this channel. Alright, also like, comment. If you know other words in Dinka language, please put them in the comment section. I'm also going to make a video for those words you have right. Okay, we are learning together, guys. The mission is to spread or preach or to teach our language to our children, to next generation, to our common people who don't know how to read and write Dinka language. That's the mission, guys, and the mission cannot be accomplished by one person. I alone cannot accomplish it, so we have to learn together. When you have other words in Dinka, please write them in the comment section. The other thing is you can also share it in the Facebook, Instagram, TikTok so that other people can find us and they can come and learn with us here in YouTube. Okay, guys, it's very important. If you do it, I will appreciate you. Subscribe, please. Thank you. Okay, Adarwal. Adarwal. Adarwal is called HIV AIDS. AIDS. Yinsha Adarwal Damgan. So when you ask other people, they don't know it is called Adarwal. So but if you are learning here in YouTube with us, then you will know it. Is it not an advantage? Yes. BU, 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 BU mean gonorrhea, gonorrhea. Nyan kana achi BU dom. This lady is suffering from gonorrhea. Gonorrhea, gonorrhea, gonorrhea in Dinka is called BU, 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 gonorrhea. Another word is beer, beer, beer or book, beer, beer or book mean syphilis, 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 syphilis. Syphilis in Dinka is called bier or bok, shibogdom. Syphilis. Okay, guys. Alaj riem, alaj riem, alaj riem, alaj riem mean urine. Alaj riem, urinate blood, guys. So I mean urinate here, but it's is error, so you have to correct it. Urinate blood. So alaj riem. So when you urinate, you urinate blood. Okay. So that is called alaj riem. Abort, abort, abort. A ba o ota abort. A ba u ota abort. Abort means swelling, swelling, swelling. So when you are swelling, that is abort. So this u is supposed to be here first, here like u here, that o abort. So guys, I mess up here. You can correct it. Yan riem, yan riem, yan riem, yan riem. Yan riem mean bloody diarrhea, bloody diarrhea, or simply you call it dysentery. Dysentery. When you are suffering from dysentery, your stool has blood. In Dinka we call yan riem, yan riem, yan riem. Okay, okay, guys. Another disease is called arnum. Arnum. Arnum or arnum. Arnum. Arnum means headache. Headache. Headaches. Headache is or head pain. You have a lot of pain in your head. It's called arnum. And arnum. When someone asks you what happened to you, my dear, you say an arnum. And arnum means I have pain in my heart or I have headache. Simple headache. This is common one. A tick tick. 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 A tick tick mean hiccups. Hiccup, you do it like yeah, a tick tick. Yes, it's called hiccup. Hiccup, guys. This one you cannot get them anywhere unless you learn with us here. So a tick tick, hiccups, hiccups, hiccups. It's called a tick tick in Dinka language. A tick tick, a tick tick, a tick tick, a tick tick, and here a tick tick dom. A tick tick is hiccup. Okay, guys. Another one is theme, 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 theme. Theme means sneezing, 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 sneezing means theme, theme in theme pay. Okay. Another common type of sickness in Dinka is called talk, 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 talk. Actually, talk means unconscious, unconscious, unconscious. You become unconscious, so you are not aware of yourself. Unconscious. So talk in Dinka language. So another one is all, 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 all mean coughing, coughing, coughing. You cough a lot, coughing, coughing, coughing mean all in Dinka language. Another one is ngok, 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 ngok is called ngok, 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 ngok is vomiting, vomiting. Ngok mean vomit. Ngok, ngok, supposed to be ngok, ngok. We double this one. Ngok, 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 ngok mean vomiting, vomiting, vomiting in English, and in Dinka is called ngok, ngok, ngok. Okay. Another common type of condition in Dinka is called terbe, terbe, terbe. Terbe mean abortion, Abortion, you have aborted your newborn fetus. That is called abortion. In Dinka, is called terbe, terbe. So that is common type terbe. It's like miscarriage or what happened. So it's abortion. It's terbe. Juan womb, Juan womb, Juan womb, Juan womb mean running nose, common cold. Yes, common cold, running nose, those type of sickness in the nose, they are called Juan womb. We get it before Juai mean fever. That means it's like fever of the nose. That's how is this womb. Womb, womb mean nose in Dinka. In Dinka, womb is called nose in English. So if we combine Juan womb, it means running nose. Okay, guys. This word I searched it in Google until I get it because I was not knowing it in English. Adul, 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 adul. You know, guys, adul. Adul mean kai forces, kai forces, kai forces, kai forces, kai forces, kai forces, or round back, round back, round back. You guys are learning a lot from me here. Kai forces or round back. It's called adul, ran here adul dom. So bina cha gungu. So adul so kawa chu be kidi. So in chiran want to boot ko. So in chat gungu. Yeah, very common. Adul. Kyphosis is a common type of the sickness or condition in South Sudan. It's called adul. Adul. A da wu wu le. Adul. Adul. Kyphosis or round back. Yan pew. Yan pew. Yan pew. Yan pew means watery diarrhea. Watery diarrhea. Watery diarrhea. Watery diarrhea. We get it yan. Yan before mean diarrhea. Pew, water. That combined together is called yan pew, which means watery diarrhea. The other one is yan riem. Yan riem, we put riem here. Riem, which means bloody diarrhea or dysentery. Okay, guys. Yan pew, watery diarrhea. Arimpo, arimpo, arimpo or arimpo. Arimpo or arimpo mean heart pain. Heart pain. Heart pain. Cardiac. You have cardiac problem. Cardiac problem. That is heart pain. Po mean cardiac or heart. Are mean pain. That's cardiac problem. Okay. These are the 40 Dinka words for diseases or sicknesses. Guys, the person who bring this lesson to you in Dinka language and in English too is called William Majak. So I'm a native Dinka speaker, and that's why I want to teach my language to the other people so that they can learn also. Okay, guys, please, if you find this video very interesting, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share, like, because when you like my video, YouTube is going to recommend the video to the other people so that they can also learn together. We need to learn together. One family, one group, one school, one learners. Yes, that is it, guys. So we have to learn this common type of disease in Dinka and in English too. Is an advantage, guys. Okay, I'm going to bring the lesson of numbers from number 1 to 1000. That is our target. So I promise you the other time I will start typing them. This is because I'm busy, but I will do it. We'll do it one by one. Okay, guys, subscribe, share the video. Thank you so much. William. Okay, William Majak. Bye. Nyali kawe kuyane. Dor nyali kawe.